Hello, my friend. Here comes the model. It's number NF9099. Okay, now let's have a look at more detail about this watch. Here we can see it's a very simple design watch. On the dial we can see at the 3 o'clock position we can see here is the calendar windows. On the 6 o'clock position here we can see it's a weekly windows. Here only a bigger crown. We can try to set the time and the date. Now we just turn it the time, the setting, and put one step. We can setting the date here. You can see the window here. The window is 6 o'clock position. Okay. And this model we use is the leather strap. We have 4 colors about this watch, and this is the orange one. And here is another 3 colors. We can show you more details about them. This is the black one. And also we can see at the inner range it also have the small number about 0, 5, 10, and 12, and 25, 35, and 40, 50, 58 is the index here. And this watch we have 4 enlarged number about the indices as 12, 3, 6, and 9 to enlarge the indices more clear to read the time. This is the black with black combine the silver color, and this one is the black combine the red color. Look at the strap. Very nice, the leather. And the detail about the red one. The calendar window and the weekly window. And the inner ring. You can read the time here. And the last one is black combine the yellow color for the hands and the index, the enlarged index, and also the strap. The leather strap is also very nice, the color. And the barcode, we have the brand logo on the barcode here. Really nice, these watches. Also here have our brand logo on the jewel crown. Okay, there are 4 colors. Which ones do you like the best?